you can make over $400 every day just by typing. Don't believe me? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Hi guys, you're very welcome back to the channel. So, can it be done? Can you make $400 a day plus every day? Well, you can be done by using one little website and one little hack that I'm going to show you here. Not a lot of people know about this. Also, don't forget to stay till the end. Got some bonuses there for you guys. This is the real deal. This really works. Hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below if you've tried this before. And with that, let's just get straight into it here. How to make $400 a day by typing. Let's do it. So the website we want to talk about when you want to make money by typing is a site by the name of TextBroker. So TextBroker is a site that basically people put in gigs where they're looking for some text to be written for SEO, for blog posts, whatever. So there's a huge demand for customer content or for original content. So if you're any good at typing, you can come on here and you can write content. But if you see a TextBroker here, if you have a flick down through the site, you can see it's easy to get what you need with TextBroker's content and article writing services. So there is people out there looking for individually written articles, and that's where you come in. You can come in and you can write content. So why choose self-service, how it works, you can check out the TextBroker website yourself, but you'll see it there. So what you want to do is you want to come in and you want to go into I write content. And what you'll do then is you'll register as an author for free. And you can earn your money being a content writer. So I'm hearing you ask, how much can you write, or how much can you earn even? Well, if you go into the payment section here, we'll have a look now real quick. Make money online, order, type, quality content, and expertise define your earnings. So how this works, guys, is there's a pay scale. So when you sign up for TextBroker, they'll ask you to fill out a quick narrative and to give you an example of your writing, basically, of your individual writing. And then they will rate you. So if your writing is anyway good at all, you can get 4 stars or 5 stars. Then you can get $4 per word. So what that means is basically that you have a little calculator down here. So say if you're a 4-star writer and you do 1,000 words, 1,000 words is like a page, maybe a page and a half. That's 13 euros. Now, you'll see why it's in euros here, not dollars. On some other sites, they'll tell you that TextBroker is only available in America. Not true. It's also available in all these countries here, guys. All these countries here, not just America anymore. It's available in a lot of countries. So check that out. You get more information on this site all the time, guys. So this is where it's at. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Anyway, back to what we were talking about. If you calculate your earnings, say you do 1,000, 2,000, say you aim for 5,000 words a day, or 5,000 words a day. That's $65, or 5,000 words a gig, right? Now, you might say, well, it's going to take me a while to write 5,000 words. The content needs to be pretty good. Your initial content needs to be good. If you have 4-star, or even look if you're 5-star, what does it work out at? Look at that. If you can get a 5-star rating, guys, 5,000 words, $200. Now, how long is it going to take you to write 5,000 words? It's going to take you a couple of hours. But we have a little hack here for you guys. What you can use is go over to Google Docs. Google Documents is free. Go into Google Docs, go into Tools, go into Voice Typing, click here to speak. And as you can see with Google Docs, you can just speak and type and then submit. Now, if you have a bit of an accent like mine, then you're going to have typos like this. But basically, that's Google Docs, guys. That's a little hack you can use. You won't be long about clocking up words by speaking. Not a lot of people can type, say, at 5,000 words in an hour or whatever, and who wants to be typing 5,000 words in an hour? But most people can speak 5,000 words an hour. So that's how you use it. So go over to TextBroker, check it out, see if it's in your country. If it is, register and sign up. The most important the most important article that you will write in TextBroker is your original article, because that will give you your rating. If you get a 5-star rating, then away you go. Await your gigs. As I say, there's a lot of this TextBroker site is very busy. There's a lot of people looking for individually written text for the likes of their blogs and their websites, just in the interest of SEO. So you can see the kind of sites that are using TextBroker, guys. eBay, Staples, Auto, Yoast, they're all using it. So it's a worldwide leading content and article writing services. Check it out. It's just another little tip. If you're writing 5,000 words in the morning, 5,000 words in the evening, it's $400 a day, 5 days a week. That's $2,000. Where you go. Not too shabby, just for writing. So that's TextBroker, guys. Check it out. So guys, TextBroker with Google Documents, you should be able to churn out some good content pretty quickly every day. So let me know how you get on with this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Check out the description below. I have a couple of free ebooks for you. Check those out. And until next time, take care. All the best.